wait, I did. So just see some more sand particles I'm adding to it. I'm stirring it with spoon, but it's not mixing, it's not dissolving. It is again, means after some time, few seconds only, it has gone down to the bottom. Okay, it will not mix. That means sand is not soluble in water. Isn't it clear to you? Very clear to you that sand is not soluble in water. Again, I am using some pebbles. These are pebbles, P-E-B-B-L-E-S, pebbles, small, yes, small, what can you say, the stones, small stones I brought from garden, and I'm again putting in water, these stones in water. But you see, again, this stone particles or the pebbles are not mixing in water. These are not getting dissolved in water, isn't it? So you can say that sand or the pebbles are not soluble in water. Even when you take one coin, I have also taken coin with me, and I will also put this coin in water. It has also gone down. It will also not get mixed in water. Okay, so now you have understood the substances which does not get dissolved in water. Okay, the substances which do not get dissolved in water. So these are the substances. So Angelita is writing that this is decantation process. You had read in class 4. I had taught you that this is decantation process, means after some time only this will settle down on the bottom, and ever with clear water will be visible. You can mix it with the spoon, but after some time only it will go down. Okay, it will settle down on the bottom. Understood? Yes. So this is very obvious. So you have now understood that what are the substances that get dissolved in water and what are the substances that do not get dissolved in water. Okay, so let's again see what is there in your book. Uh, Screenshots. Yeah, so you can see um, insoluble substances I'm reading. There are many materials that do not get dissolved in water in the way sugar, salt, and lemon juice do. Such substances are said to be insoluble in water. Let us perform the following activity to understand this. Take some water in a glass beaker or tumbler, add some sand to it as I had added. You have seen the activity and stir thoroughly. Then add some tiny pebbles to the same container and stir again. What do you observe? Sand and pebbles do not disappear in water. They are seen clearly in water as separate entities, as separate identities, you can say. Okay? This shows that sand and pebbles do not dissolve in water. They are therefore said to be insoluble in water. We have observed earlier that lemon juice and gets dissolved in water. Do all liquids get dissolved in water? Let us check this by performing the following activity. So the liquid that gets dissolved in water is the ink. Okay, take 2 glass tumblers, fill them. Yes, the liquids which gets dissolved in water and does not get dissolved in water. Okay, so we have talked about um, the solid particles which get dissolved in water and which does not get dissolved in water. So now we will talk about the liquids which get dissolved in water and which do not get dissolved in water. Okay, so take 2 glass tumblers, fill them half with water, add a few drops of ink, and yes, you can do this activity at your home. You can click pictures, or you can have the video of yours explaining, and you can share the video or the picture in group also. Okay, if you will do yourself, then you will have better idea of it. Okay, so add a few drops of ink in one tumbler and mustard oil in the other. Stir both the mixtures. What do you observe? Ink dissolves in water, whereas mustard oil does not dissolve. Okay, So if we will talk about the liquids, so mustard oil does not get dissolved in water. Again, give me time. I will bring one more of fresh water, and I will show you with mustard oil. Is it soluble in water or not? Okay.